wow, check out my hair. I curled it earlier this morning and it's lasted me all day with this new Wavytalk curling iron. And I want to talk about it because it is really cool. First, I'd like to thank them for sending it to me to review. I really do appreciate it. This is definitely my new favorite styling tool for a bunch of different reasons. Number one, the ease of use. I use a curling iron, traditional curling iron usually, and I cannot believe how good this curled my hair. Also, you can also use it as a flat iron. I could have straightened my hair with the same exact curling iron. With this, it's the outside of it. When it's hot, I can touch it. That means I can roll it really close to my head and I'm not burning my head. But it's still warm on that side because it blows air out of these directions. So it really grabs the hair, curls it nicely, gives it a really nice sheen and a shine. And it lasts for a while. And usually, like, I got to put it on the hottest. I did put it on the hottest for this one, but really super simple. Boom. And then you can see how flat it is on the inside. And then it's the outside that's curling. It's crazy how this works. Really nice, really nice. So this is definitely going to be my new favorite tool. I'm going to be using this. Probably I might even get rid of my old curling iron because this is it's a way better fluff. Way better. Check it out. Look at how nicely that did my hair, right? So once again, thank you, Wavytalk. I freaking love this thing. It's awesome.